Two-factor authentication, not working on InvestNow Fix. If you can't access your InvestNow account because your two-factor authentication isn't working, it can feel stressful, especially when your funds are on the line. But most of the time, the issue comes down to something small that's easy to fix. Let's start with the most common reason: time synchronization. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based, so if your phone's clock is even slightly off, the code won't match InvestNow servers. Go into your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and confirm your time zone. If you use an authenticator app, open it, find time correction for codes, and select Sync Now. Next, make sure both your InvestNow app and your authenticator app are fully updated. Outdated apps often cause login issues, so head to your app store and install the latest versions. If you rely on SIM's verification and your code isn't arriving, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or switch to a different network. Occasionally, carriers delay verification messages, especially if you're in a low-signal area. If you've recently changed phones, deleted your authenticator, or reset your device, you'll need to reset your Fi. On the InvestNow login screen, click Can't Access Fi. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, and then set up a new authentication method once you regain access. Here's a crucial tip: always keep your recovery codes stored safely offline. These one-time backup codes are your lifeline if your phone or app stops working. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on InvestNow, take a moment to troubleshoot calmly. Sync your time, update your apps, and check your connection. With these quick fixes, you'll be back to managing your investments securely and confidently.